In this video, I will show you how to find wall fabric in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to find wall fabric, what you're going to need first of all is to build a spinning wheel and a loom. Now if you come across and actually press onto the loom, you can see this way you can obtain wall fabric. In order to build wall fabric, you need 5 wool threads. So to get your wool thread, all you want to do is build a spinning wheel, and for every one piece of wool, you can build a wool thread. Now to actually get wool, you can get this from sheep. So what you want to do is basically, the best way to actually get wool from sheep is you want to collect raspberries. So you just want to look around the map and find these raspberry bushes, and you can go ahead and start picking up raspberries just like this. So you want to get about 3 to 4, and then what you want to do is go ahead and find some sheep on the map. So when the sheep come across and start to eat the raspberries, you'll see there's an option to pet the sheep. So if you actually start petting the sheep, what's going to happen is they're going to drop some wool, just like so. Every time you start petting them, you're going to get 1 wool from each sheep. What you then need to do is just simply come back to your spinning wheel. So you just want to go ahead and find your spinning wheel. And once you're back at the spinning wheel, just go ahead and use the spinning wheel to start making some wool threads. So as I mentioned, you need 5 of these in total. And once you've gone ahead and built 5 wool threads, what you can then do is come across to the loom and use the 5 wool threads to make your wool fabric. So that is how to go ahead and find wool fabric in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.